Oh my god, I'm so tired. I mean, this is gonna prove what I'm trying to say in this video. So yeah, hi, I'm Dia. I'm feeling tired right now, but this is gonna be what it looks like when you burn yourself. You're not burned out like, oh my god, I'm keep doing it. No, it's like, okay, there's a moment where I feeling burned, feeling energy flooded, and right now it just, okay, let's get a rest for longer than a week. So in this video I wanna share about work rest cycle and define heart center, which is me. I have defined heart center, and also in fact I have all motor center defined. I only have motor center defined and no other center defined. just motor just motor. Maybe you can expect me like, oh my god, you have a lot of energy, but sometimes I feel puzzled why every time I already finish something, I done my commitment, and I need a long time to rest. Like my body can't do anything than sleeping. So when I remember about heart center, which is I have a lot of problem with heart center. Yes, I define and I have a problem with heart center. I realized that heart center has a cycle where sometimes you work your ass off, and then next time you gonna take a rest, like no work whatsoever. It's because heart center work on demand, I think. Work on demand or work based on the promise we make. So if you make a promise to yourself or make a promise to others, this center, heart center, will generate energy for you to be able to finish that promise or that work. But then after that, heart center won't just shut off. Like it won't generate any energy whatsoever. In fact, heart center will command you to rest. So heart center won't generate energy every day, every time. So if you have something valuable to do, like you have promised to someone or to yourself that is so valuable for you based on your judgment or you sense of value in those work, you just gonna do it. Yeah, you just work your ass off. Especially me, because early this month, this is December 2025, so from the 1st December I feel my energy is so flooded, so excessive, that makes my body warm and energized, and yeah, there's a lot of energy that I couldn't take a sleep longer than it should. So I usually sleep for 7 hours, and that's it. I can't sleep again for the entire day, and I do a lot of things like multitasking, but in fact I'm generator, so I shouldn't multitask. But I can multitask, like, oh, okay, this person hold something, like I keep accountable to them, and other person accountable for other things, and I keep make make sure that they finish the thing what they're working on, which is something I realized that heart center might be conditioning people, like you expect them to finish the promise, like to do the promise what they promise. But I also aware that, so I'm not like you said this and you have to accomplish or to do what you said, you know. And also something I just know that heart center won't register word affirmation. It doesn't register word affirmation like, oh my god, you are worthy, you are valuable, etc., etc. But my heart center needs an action, like you have to prove by your action that you are worthy. Because my problem with my divine heart center is that in the past I often let people take advantage of my ability, so I don't really understand about exchange, about I give you and you give me something, because in the past I do something for free, and then it creates a wound in my heart center that I don't know how to heal that. In this time I aware that, so I don't know how to heal that wound where I'm actually valuable, and it's actually aligned with myself that I take a charge for my work. So I need to give a price for what I do, and just without feeling like you force people to appreciate you, maybe. Yeah, that's a wound I have in divine heart center. I do the work for free because back then I was in high school, where the price is I have a great score without any effort, which is great at the time, but it's hurt my heart center for a long run, because the work is way too hard to do by myself with a little resource I had back then. That's another story for another time. The point is, after December 1st, I burned my ass off until 7 December 7th. For the entire week, I burned my ass off to do something. And right now, December 21st, which is, it's been 2 weeks basically, but I still feel like I need to sleep. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. I need to take everything slow. I need rest. Yeah. Okay, that's my share about work rest cycle. Sorry, this setup looks a little bit weird because I can't sit down on the chair, like, no, I can't. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.